Hey guys, this is Anthony Perez. Welcome back to my channel, Life is Wealth, where I teach you about wholesaling real estate and also other financial advice and tidbits and stuff like that. So in this video, it's kind of like a prank video in the sense where normally when you're listening to phone calls, it's all about, people closing the deals. But with this video, I'm showing you the hardship of calling these sellers, right? It's not always as easy as it seems in these videos. A lot of times you're going to deal with sellers that just want to waste your time or is just not motivated to sell their home, right? So in this video, there's gonna be about 4 or 5 clips of with sellers that basically, well, you know what? Let me not spoil it for you. I'm gonna let you watch it, but just know, uh, this is like the dark side of wholesaling and calling sellers. So I hope you get some value out of watching this. Value being, you know, expectations, right? Like what to expect when calling these type of people. So yes, enjoy the video. Please leave a comment on what type of topics you want me to talk about next, or any feedback since this is a new channel. And if you want to show love and appreciation, leave a comment, leave a like, and also subscribe and hit that notification button so you know the next time I drop a video. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy. On Arthur Avenue.
I never spoke to your partner. I don't know what you're talking about. So you guys stop playing this fucking game and calling me. Okay? I never spoke to your partner. I don't know anything about this.
So you don't want to
You
sell?
would just harass me. I don't want to talk to you. I have a lawyer.
Hey y'all, I'm calling someone else's leads today, for these numbers here. Um, I'm gonna see how this goes. Taking you guys along for the ride.
Hello, Santana.
Hi, Linda.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Anthony. You spoke to my partner Michelle a couple days ago.
Regarding?
Um, you was open to receiving a cash offer on Bird Avenue.
No.
Hello?
Hello, Stefan.
Hello?
Hey, you hear me?
Yes, speaking.
Yeah, my name's Anthony. You spoke to my partner Michelle a couple days ago about receiving a cash offer.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you spoke to my partner Michelle a couple days ago. I'm just giving you a call back.
I don't understand.
You were open to receiving a cash offer for Northwest 69th Street in Miami?
What's happening?
Yeah, are you still open to selling that?
Excuse me?
Are you still open to selling?
Open to 7?
Yeah, are you open to selling that property on 69th Street?
$1 million.
You want $1 million.
Yeah.
Okay, let me take a look. Let me see if it's worth $1 million. Hold on. I know he was joking. It ain't worth no $1 million.
Hello?
Hi, is Yzmo around?
Hello?
Hey, is Yzmo around?
Who's calling?
Yeah, my name is Anthony. I believe you spoke to my partner Michelle a couple days ago.
Regarding?
I believe you was open to receiving a cash offer on Southwest First Ave.
What amount?
What do you want for it?
Well, I said don't call me unless it's a million and above.
You said don't call unless what?
It's a million or above.
$1 million, but is it worth $1 million?
Yes.
Okay.
I have no intentions of selling it. You're the one that wants to buy it.
Okay, I mean, if it's worth $1 million, I don't mind paying $1 million.
Yeah,
Let me-
nobody wants to pay that.
well, it depends if they're cash flowing on it. Why not, right?
Yeah, we're not interested.
At all. So even if I was to offer $1 million, you wouldn't want to take it.
You're not gonna come back with $1 million because they've called the 3 million times and they always come back with 800. 800 is one property. I have 2 properties in one.
Is that 800 as an all cash offer?
Oh yeah.
So would you be open to carrying the note?
For what?
Would you be open to carrying a note?
What is that?
Essentially, you become the bank, and you know how normally when you go get a
No,
mortgage.
that doesn't really work for me. I have 2 properties rented.
Will be it's the same thing where you're getting a paycheck every month, but you don't have none of the landlord duties or headaches.
No, I don't get any headaches. Don't worry about it.
That's all.
It's good.
I mean, because the thing with seller finance.
I'm property, sir. I don't want to sell it. I'm good.
Okay, no problem. Have a good one.
All right, man.
Well, she don't want to sell. I don't know what it is in Miami. Everybody thinks their property is worth $1 million. Hey, people don't want to sell. They don't want to sell.
Hello?
Hey, you.
Yes.
Hey, this is Anthony. I believe you spoke to my partner Michelle a couple days ago.
Concerning what?
I believe you was open to receiving a cash offer on East 11th Street.
I got no idea to do what?
To receive a cash offer on East 11th Street, your property.
No properties for sale. Okay, thank you.
Okay. I don't know where he getting his leads from, but they're trash. Sorry.
Good morning.
Hey, if it's a bad time, let me know. I just need to get some information about the property so I know what to offer you if you have time.
Stop. This calling in the blind and counting me for information. I'm not in it. If you
Well, I'm not
interested in something,
calling
find
the
out about the
blind.
thing you want. Buddy, you're calling me. I'm not calling you. If you want
But
to
you
make
spoke-
me an offer,
but
do
you
your
spoke to my
own
team.
research and then you call me. I don't have any information to give you.
You don't know the condition of the house?
Hello,
Hey, is Frederick around?
who's calling?
My name is Anthony. I believe we spoke to my partner Michelle a couple days ago.
Say that again, please.
My name is Anthony. I believe you spoke to my partner Michelle.
About what?
I believe she reached out and you had told her that you were open to receiving a cash offer for your home for Brower Avenue.
Okay, I've been receiving these calls lately, and each time it's not for the right address. So what address are you interested in?
Well, the address I have here is 58 Brower Avenue. That's what I have in front of me.
In what town?
Woodmere.
What?
Woodmere.
Okay,
Zip code 11598.
that's nowhere near where I live.
Okay, maybe they got the address wrong. What is the address?
No, I'm not going to do that.
So you don't want to sell?
No, I don't want to sell.
Okay, because I have on my notes here, you said you was open to receiving an offer.
Well, that's not correct.
Oh, okay. I got you. All right, well, sorry for wasting your time. So you don't have no properties you want to sell?
I have a telescope I'd like to sell.
A telescope? You know, they just had a debriefing about UFOs. You should use it to go find one.
Goodbye.
Have a good one. You don't hear what I'm saying.
Hello, may I help?
Hey, Michael.
Okay.
Hey, it's Anthony. I believe you spoke to one of my partners, Michelle, a couple days ago.
Okay.
Yeah, are you still having trouble with Madison Avenue?
No, how may I help?
Yeah, I believe she contacted you. I think they discussed something about you being open to a cash offer.
What's your offer?
Well, how much do you want for it?
I told her, I'm telling you, when you guys get your ducks in a row and you have an offer, call me back.
Hello.
Hello, Andrea?
Hello.
Hey, do you hear me?
I can hear you.
Oh, okay. How you doing today?
What do you need?
Yeah, I'm sorry for wasting your time. I'll make it quick. I believe you spoke to my partner a couple days ago, Michelle. Are you still open to the cash offer for the property?
No, I didn't speak to any Michelle. I told them to stop calling me. Please do.
Okay, I'm sorry. I got the notes wrong here then. I'm sorry.
Hello?
Hey, Melvin.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? Sorry for bothering you. I know you spoke with my partner a couple days ago. Just reaching back out.
Who is it?
My name's Anthony.
So what do you want?
I believe my partner reached out to you. You said he was open to receiving a cash offer on your property.
No, I'm not talking about that.
Hello?
Hey, Rosanna? Rosanna?
Who's this?
this,
Who is this?
this is Anthony. You spoke to my partner Michelle a couple days ago.
I don't understand you. What you said?
You spoke to my partner Michelle a couple days ago.
About?
I believe you said he was open to a cash offer on Arthur Avenue.
I never spoke to your partner. I don't know what you're talking about. You guys stop playing fucking games and calling me. Okay? I never spoke to your partner. I don't know anything about it.
So you don't want to sell?
You just harass me. I don't want to talk to you. I have a lawyer. Don't talk. Don't lie to me, first of all. You got up on the wrong. I did not speak to Michelle. I don't know nobody by that name. So thank you. Hello.
Hello, Marvin.
Huh?
Hi, you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, how you doing? My name is Anthony. I believe we spoke to my partner Michelle a couple of days ago. Are you still open to having that conversation about selling the home?
Excuse me?
Yeah, are you still open to receiving an offer for
No, thank you.
okay.